dryer switch timer has seized up, causing us to use needle nose pliers to get it to turn on all the way. At first we thought it was the heater element, and then we realized that it was because the dryer timer switch seized up and he broke the knob, so the knob wasn't turning it all the way. So this would be a good test to see, just to make sure that it is indeed the dryer switch timer that needs to be replaced. Simple fix, about $45. Alright, now for the moment of truth. We plug the dryer back in. Now we're going to give it a shot. Put this on. Hey, look at that. Perfect.